Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of downloading Microsoft Office 365 so you can start maximizing your productivity. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to stay organized, Office 365 has all the tools you need. Let's dive in. Step 1. Go to the Microsoft Office website. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in www.office.com into the address bar and press Enter. This will take you to the official Microsoft Office homepage. Step 2. Sign in to your Microsoft account. If you already have a Microsoft account, click the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password to log in. If you do not have an account, click on Sign Up to create one. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Step 3. Choose your Office 365 plan. Once signed in, navigate to the section titled Office 365 Plans. Here, you will find various options suitable for personal use, families, students, and businesses. Take some time to compare the plans and select the one that best fits your needs. Click on Buy Now or Try for Free if you're opting for a trial version. Step 4. Complete your purchase or trial setup. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase. If you selected a trial version, you may need to enter your payment information, but you won't be charged until the trial period ends. Review your order and confirm your purchase. Step 5. Download Office 365. After your purchase is complete, you will be redirected to the Office Setup page. Click on the Install Office button. A setup file will start downloading to your computer. You may be prompted to select a location to save the file. Step 6. Run the setup file. Once the download is complete, locate the setup file in your Downloads folder. Double-click it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Microsoft Office 365 on your device. Step 7. Activate Microsoft Office. After the installation is complete, launch any Office application, such as Word or Excel. You will be prompted to sign in again with your Microsoft account. This will activate your Office 365 subscription. Step 8. Start using Office 365. Congratulations! You are now ready to explore all the features and tools available in Microsoft Office 365. Whether you need to create documents, collaborate with others, or manage your tasks, Office 365 has everything you need to get productive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Happy productivity!